In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background box to text in Clipchamp. If you're looking to give your text that extra pop, creating a background box can be an excellent way to enhance the visibility and style of your text. Let's dive right in and get those creative juices flowing. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to Clipchamp. If this is your first time using Clipchamp, simply type Clipchamp into the search bar and hit enter. You'll find it right at the top of your search results. Once you've located the site, go ahead and click on it to open. Now that you're on the Clipchamp homepage, it's time to log in. You'll typically see the login option at the top right corner of the page. Use your existing Clipchamp account credentials to access your dashboard. In case you're new to Clipchamp, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process involving just a few steps to set up your user profile. Either way, make sure you're logged in so we can proceed with our task today. Our next step is to create a new video project or select one of your existing projects to work on. In the dashboard, you should see options to either start fresh with a new project or pick up where you left off with an existing one. Click on the option that best suits your needs. If you choose to create a new video, feel free to set up your project preferences, such as video dimensions and format, ensuring it aligns with what you have in mind for your final product. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, keep an eye out for the toolbar, where you'll find several tabs. Here, locate the Text tab and click on it. This will present you with a variety of text styles. You're specifically looking for a text or title style that offers a background option. Once you've found a style you like, click and drag it into your timeline below. It's that simple. Next, let's refine your text by double-clicking the text box in the timeline. Doing so will immediately open up the property panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel allows you to customize your text further, from font size to positioning. Within the property panel, you'll see several tabs at the top. Ensure that the Text tab is selected. This is where you'll find the option to change the background color, crucial for adding that perfect finishing touch to make your text stand out. Play around with the colors until you find just the right one that complements your overall design. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background box to your text in Clipchamp, giving it an engaging and professional finish. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and colors to see what works best for your particular project.